Okay. Good evening, all. I hope everyone are able to hear me. Before starting the session, so please subscribe my YouTube channel, Raj Informatica. I'm sending you. This is my YouTube channel. So in this YouTube channel, there are many useful videos available for Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica Cloud, Snowflake, Tableau, Power BI, Azure, AWS, GCP, Cybersecurity, SAP, Salesforce, etc. Now, also we have a website, rajinformatica.com. So this is our website. Yes, please, just hold on. I'm setting the website link here. This is my website. In this website, you can see different courses available here. So these are all the courses available with us. Also, you can see different interview questions, PowerCenter, Snowflake, AWS, Oracle, IICS, different materials available. So please make use of them. Okay. So till now, 2 sessions are completed. So one was demo, and yesterday was the first session. Today is the second session. So if you want to see the first 2 sessions, so please ping your phone number in the Zoom chat so that we will send you to the WhatsApp. Also, please provide your phone numbers so that we will add you to the project WhatsApp group. Okay. So in that WhatsApp group, people are discussing about jobs. People are discussing about interview questions. People are discussing about the doubts and all. Okay. So please provide your phone numbers in the Zoom chat. Everyone, can you provide your phone numbers, please? Guys, reply. I need the replies. Okay, so please provide your phone numbers. Yeah, so that we will add you to the project WhatsApp group. Okay. Also, we'll send you the first 2 videos. Now, in the last session, what and all we have seen in the last session? In the last session, yeah. So in the last session, we have seen the difference between PowerCenter and IICS. We have seen how to create a trial account, how to download and install Secure Agent, and then all those things we have seen, and also we have created 2 connections. Okay. So yesterday, what we have done? So we had source and target, source, target. So source database is Oracle. Target database also Oracle. Target database also Oracle. Source schema we have created yesterday. That is OT SRC dev 1. Okay. And target database we have created OT TGT dev 1. So this is what we have created. And then source table I have given the tables yesterday. Source table we had customers. So target table we created already customers TGT. Okay. So let me open Oracle SQL developer. So DDL and DLM and insert commands I will send today. In the today's notes I will send you. If you did not get it, I'll send you in the today's notes. Yesterday we have created OTSRC dev 1. Okay. So services you need to start. So go to services and start Oracle services. This service is not running. Just start the service and wait for 1 or 2 minutes. And also start the service. Yeah. So let's wait for 1 minute. Meanwhile, we'll open Informatica Cloud. So how to open? We already copy pasted this URL, login URL and username here. So this is my username and this is the URL. So copy this URL and go to incognito mode in Chrome. Paste here. So once you paste, it will ask username and password. So this is the username and the password. Okay. This is the password. Okay. So this is how we have created the trial account and we installed secure agent also. So I'll show you if the services are up and running or not. If they are not up and running, what to do, I will tell you. So just hold on. Okay. Yes, please. Yeah. So by default, it has opened the data integration because I given the star, right? So you can click on this in the down arrow mark. Because I given star, by default data integration is open. So meanwhile, you can open administrator in the new tab, monitor in the new tab. So we have data integration, we have administrator, we have monitor. Yes, please. So now what to do? Let's see now. Now what to do? Let's see. First check the services are up and running or not. How to check? Go to Informatica Administrator, go to Runtime Environment, and click on this laptop, that is Secure Agent. See, so few are not running, few are running. Okay. For that, what you need to do, if they are not running, common integration components is not running. So here, common integration components, stop and start. Whichever not running, stop and stop them. So common integration component start. It will start in some time. Mass ingestion is not required. If you want, you can start that also. Mass ingestion stop and start. Mass ingestion select start. So ultimately, to work on CDI, we require data integration server service. We require this service, and also we require this service. To work on application integration, we require data integration. We require common integration. Also, we require process server. So OA data collector and mass ingestion is not required. So meanwhile, they are starting up. How to check the status? So just click on the refresh status. So let's wait till these are starting up. So meanwhile, Oracle, check Oracle. So OTSRC Dev 1, yesterday we created. So it is connected now. It's loading. We have these many tables available. And we created OTTJ Dev 1. So in this we have one table. So in customers table in source we have a table called customers. In this customers table we have how many records? 319 records. And the target table we have 0 records. In the target table we have 0 records. So we need to send these 310 records to target by using Informatica Cloud. Today we'll do the mapping. We will extract the data from customers table and we'll transform it and load it to target table. That is the requirement. Okay. So shall we do the mapping, guys, everyone? Today, shall we do the mapping? Can you please reply in the Zoom chat? So please provide your phone numbers if you did not provide it. Meanwhile, they will start up. Now the first thing is, so we already created the connections. We already created the connections yesterday. OTSRC Dev1, OTDG Dev1. No need to create again. The only thing is this runtime environment should up. This common integration component should up. Okay, it will start up in some time. So meanwhile now, if you want to create a mapping, what you need to do now? First, we need to create a project and folder. We need to create a project. So the first step in data integration. So administrator, what we have done in Informatica Cloud Administrator, by using administrator, what we have done, we downloaded and installed Secure Agent. So Secure Agent installation is done. After that, in real time, you don't need to install Secure Agent. Your Informatica administrator, your Informatica admin will take care. In real time, you don't need to install any Secure Agent. Okay. So who will install Secure Agent? Your Informatica admin. There is a person called admin. He will install. What they will give? They will give the URL to work on. This kind of URL they will give. They will give user ID password. You can change the password later as per your wish. Once you change the password, so you can work on it. You don't need to install in real time, but you need to create the connections. So administrator is used to create the source and target connections. That is what we have used till now. We created source and target connections by using Informatica administrator. Okay. Now to create a mapping, we require data integration. So in Informatica data integration, the first step is we have here home, explore, bundle, my jobs. Go to explore and create a project first. In real time, they might have already created a project. Just click on new project. So you can give PRJ underscore. Okay. So Raj Cloud, something like this. Some project name I'm creating some project. So create a project. PRJ underscore Raj Cloud. Once you create a project, so enter into the project. Only project we will create only one time. Once you create the project, go inside to the project. So now we are in explore, all projects, PRJ Raj Cloud. Now create a folder. So click on new folder. I'm giving a name called batch. So now go inside the batch. So here we need to create the mapping. So how to do it? For example, if everything is closed, if data integration is closed, how to open? Click on this arrow mark. Click on data integration in new tab. Once you click on data integration, so once you click on data integration, what it will do, it will open the window. Just hold on till it open. Yes, please. Yeah, okay. So now it look like this. So I went to explore here left side and I created a project. Then click on the project. I went to here and I created a folder. So now you need to create the mapping here. So how to create a mapping? Very simple. So go to new. Here you can see plus new. When you click on new, you can see tasks, data ingestion and replication, mappings, maplets, task flows, components. So we are creating a mapping. What is the use of the mapping? I want to extract the data from source and load it to target. What to do? Click on mappings. So mapping, create a mapping. This mapping can be used for one or more mapping tasks. Fine. Click on the mappings and create. When you click on the mapping and create, it will automatically create a mapping one with source and target. But in PowerCenter, when you create a mapping, it will just create a mapping. You need to drag the source and target, correct? In PowerCenter, when you create a mapping, it will only just create a mapping. But you need to create source and target. Yes or no, please? You need to drag the source and targets. But here you don't need to drag it. When you create a mapping, it will directly create a mapping with source and target. Now we need to configure the source and target. Okay? Hold on one second. Yeah, okay. So now what to do now? We need to create a source and target. So we created a mapping. Now we need to configure source and target. See now, I'll explain this window. So this is data integration. The left side window is a navigation window. You can navigate. And this window is mapping canvas. And these are all the transformations we have. And the downside window is properties window. You can save the mapping, run the mapping. You can undo, redo. You can use the parameters. You can validate the mapping. You can give the ETL query, ELT query. You can create a mapping task and save. Then you can arrange all. Okay, this is arrange all. And you can delete the mapping, cut, copy, paste, zoom. This is zoom in, zoom out. Okay, so these are the options. I'll explain all the options later. Now, only thing you need to understand here is, so this is mapping canvas. These are all the transformations we have. What are the transformations we have? Source transformation, target transformation, access policy, aggregator, data masking, expression, filter, hierarchy builder, hierarchy parser, Java, joiner, lookup, maplet, normalizer, rank, router, sequence generator, sorter, SQL, structure parser, transaction control, union, velocity, web services. So these are all the transformations. Which are the transformations we have in PowerCenter? All the transformations we can use it here, and more transformations also we have. So when I created a mapping, it automatically created a mapping one. Now the first step, you need to rename the mapping first. The name is mapping one. How to rename? You need to select the mapping. So it will take 2-3 days to adjust with this window. In the first 2 days, it will be confusing only. But once you get adjusted, it is very easy to work on it. PowerCenter in IICS is easier than PowerCenter, please. Okay, so you don't need to worry. The only thing is you need to concentrate. That's it. Yes, guys. Understanding everyone? One second. Hold on a second, guys. I'm getting a call. Just hold on. Yes, guys. Okay. So the first thing is you need to rename the mapping. How to rename? You select this. Select this. When you select, a blue border should come. See, you need to understand one thing. Okay. If you see here, the downside window, you can drag up, you can drag down like this. This is properties window. So you can minimize. There are three buttons here. You can minimize the window, restore the window, maximize the window. The properties window, you can minimize, you can restore, you can maximize. If you select the mapping properties will show here. If you select the source properties will show here. If you select the target properties will show here. See, when I select source, the blue border is appear on the source. When I select the target, the blue border will appear on the target. When I select the mapping, a blue border will appear towards the mapping. Now what to do first? Rename the mapping. So what is the mapping name? M underscore target table name. M underscore customers TGT. M underscore customers TGT. This is my mapping name. Where it is saving location, PRJ Raj Cloud Tech batch. If you have any other projects or folders, you can select here. You can browse here. You can decide where, if you have another project, another folder, you can save it here. So once you created the name of the mapping, save. Now when you save, it will change here. See, the mapping name is changed. Are you clear, guys? Understanding? Everyone? Understanding, guys? Clear about it? So now mapping name is changed. Now you need to configure source and target. What is source name now? As of now, source. Target name is target. If you want, you can rename it. Just name. If you want, you can rename it. See, select source. Now here, properties, preview, source, general, source, fields, partitions. The name of the source. Just naming, that's it. Nothing. Customers. The name of the source is customers. Now target. Select target and name. The name of the target is customer stage. Just name. That's it. This doesn't mean that the table will come here. No. Now what to do? You need to configure the source and target. How to configure? Select source. If you want, you can drag little up. Select the source. In the downside window, source properties, select source. Now here, it is asking connection, source connection. Whatever the connections we created under administrator, the same connections will show here. See now, the connection source here, CON and OTSRC1. When you select it, when you select the source connection, the source type is single object, multiple objects, query parameter, let's see later, all those things. So connection, source connection, if you have 10 connections here, all connections will show here. I have only 2 connections, that's why it is showing 2 connections. The source type is single object, let it be. Now when you select the object, it will show that tables which are under Oracle schema. Whatever the tables under source schema, countries, customers, contacts, employees, all will show. See, so it is showing my all Oracle schemas. In this OTSRC dev 1, it is showing the tables. How it is showing? See, I have Oracle, okay. This is Oracle, correct? This is Oracle database. Yes, guys. Everyone able to understand? It is in my system only. This is Oracle database, correct? What is this? Is Oracle database and the schema name is OT-SRC Dev1. This is schema name. In this, I have, suppose for example, 10 tables are there. And I have Informatica Cloud. This is Informatica Cloud. Okay. So what is this? Informatica Cloud. In this, we created a mapping. In this, we created a mapping where we have source and target, correct? Where we have source and target. Yes, please. This is source, this is target, for example. Now, how I am seeing the tables, whatever the tables here, these tables, I am seeing these tables here, right? I am able to see these tables in Oracle source when I configure it. How? By using secure agent. How I am seeing? By using secure agent. Understanding, everyone? So what is the use of secure agent? Now, so one use of secure agent is it will connect from Informatica Cloud to Oracle database. Whatever the schema tables, all it will show here. Now, when I save here, for example, when I save this, where this mapping will save? When I save this, will it save in my system? Will it save, or will it save in Informatica Cloud, or will it save in a table where it will save in Informatica Cloud? Informatica itself, they are having their own space. Whether they are using Azure, AWS, we don't know. They are having their own space. Whatever we do in this window, it will automatically save under Informatica Cloud. How? By using secure agent. This one. By using secure agent. So, Informatica Cloud Secure Agent. By using Informatica Cloud Secure Agent, okay, this one. By using Informatica Cloud Secure Agent, what it will do? It will save the data from your local system to Informatica Cloud. Also, it will establish a connection between your database. Yes, please. Understanding, everyone? Hold on a second. Okay. Yes, guys. So did you understand what is the difference? What is the use of secure agent? Secure agent uses it will save whatever the work we do in our system. It will save from your local system to cloud. Also, it will establish a connection between your Oracle any database to Informatica Cloud. So here select the object and select customers table. Click on OK. So now my source table configuration is done. Now my source table configuration is done. Yes, please. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, guys? Understanding? Yeah. Yes. So my source is what? OTSRC Dev1 under this schema customers table. So query options, advanced and all I will tell later. So these and all I will tell later. As of now, not required. I'll cover all this. Don't worry. So now you can see the fields of customers table. Click on the fields. You can see the fields, whatever the fields we have in the customers table, the same fields you can see here. DESC customers. See, we have customer ID, customer name, address, website, credit limit. The same thing. Data types, precision, scale, from where it is, where this column is coming, OTSRC Dev1 customers table. So now save it. Always save it. Otherwise, it will not save. You have to do again. Always save your work. Okay. Once you saved, now click on target. Now you need to configure the target schema, target table. Same. Click on target table. This is target. This is source transformation. Target transformation. Whatever we do in this mapping canvas is transformation. We are configuring source transformation. We are configuring target transformation. So now click on target transformation. In the downside, click on target. Click on target. Now connection. Select target connection. Target type, we have single object parameter. So single object. Object select. Once you select, it will show I have only one table into my target schema. In my target schema, how many tables are there? Only one table, customers CGT. So select it. Click on OK. Now save. Once it is done, save it. So my source and target configuration is done. Are you clear, guys, everyone? Did you understand how to configure? Very easy, guys. This is very easy, nothing difficult. Okay, save. Save. One source and target, you can see target fields also. Click on target. Click on target fields. So customer ID, name, address, website, credit limit. Okay, done. Now what we do, whatever from here, what we'll do, we'll send only whose customer IDs are, I want only whose customer IDs are less than 50. I want only customer IDs 1 to 50. I don't want to send all the records to target. I want to send whose customer IDs are 1 to 50. So what to do? If I want to send only 1 to 50 customer IDs, what to do? I want all the records whose customer IDs are having between 1 to 50. What to do? In PowerCenter, what you will do, guys? You will use filter transformation. So what you have to do now? Filter transformation. So how to create filter? In the left side, you can drag it down little. In the left side, it is alphabetical order from A to source and target. After that, A it will start. Come to filter. Drag the filter to in between. Just drag it in between source and target. Okay, drag properly. So this is source and target, right? Drag it in between. See now, just drag it and save. Drag it and save. Okay, now I created a filter. So you can rename the filter if you want. So click on filter. These are filter properties. Click on source, source properties. Click on filter, filter properties. Click on target, target properties. Now click on filter. You can, if you want, you can change the filter name. FIL underscore customer ID. Just name of the filter. Now you need to give the filter condition. So what to do if you want to give? Click on filter. Go to filter. Click on filter. Go to filter. One way of doing it is you can. There are two things: simple, advanced, completely parameterized. So now click on plus. So come to filter. Click on filter transformation. Click on filter. Click on plus. Add a filter condition. Here it will show the columns. When I drag source to filter, whatever the columns from source, it will come to filter. So click on filter. So here, what you do? Simple, it is already selected. Click on plus. Here you can select customer ID is less than or equal to 50. Can I give like this? Customer ID is less than or equal to 50. So that I will get all the records whose customer IDs are having 1 to 50. Yes or no, please? Suppose you don't want to do this. You can remove this. You can remove this. You can go to advanced. Advanced is easy. Click on advanced. When you click on advanced, it will show define filter condition. Click on define filter condition. It will open a window. Now add customer ID is less than or equal to 50. Like this you can write. If you want and or operators, anything you can use it. Like PowerCenter, same. Whatever PowerCenter supports, same thing. Validate. Click on OK. I'll tell more about filter transformation tomorrow. I'm just giving introduction. That's it. So click on filter and give the advanced filter condition. Customer ID less than or equal to 50. Save. My mapping is saved. Still, my mapping is invalid. This should go to valid. So why? I'll tell you. Everything is done. My source is done. Target configured. Then filter transformation filter also given. Why it is invalid? I'll tell you. Now come to source first. Source having how many fields? 5 fields. When I drag to filter, you cannot double click. Nothing you can do it. That's it. You can just drag it. That's it. You cannot double click. It will not open like PowerCenter. In PowerCenter, when you double click, it will open the columns, right? It will not open like this. You will understand later. So what to do now? When I drag it like this, that means when I put the filter in between, see if these are deleted, for example, you can drag it like this. See, drag the arrow mark, only one arrow mark. Okay, and save. Now when I drag the arrow mark to filter, whatever the columns are there in source, all columns will come to filter. Now see, in filter, if you want only few columns, what to do? I'll tell in the next session. Tomorrow day to tomorrow session. Just hold up. Today only basics. Don't make complicated. Only few columns also you can do it. How? I'll tell in the next session. You can exclude them. Okay, now whenever I drag source to filter incoming fields to the filter, the fields are incoming from source, correct? When I drag source to filter, the fields are incoming from source. That is why I selected filter. These are filter properties. When you click on incoming fields, address, credit limit, customer ID, name, website, came from customers table. You see here, these are came from customers table. Yes or no, please? There is no source qualifier. In IICS, there is no source qualifier. There is no source qualifier in IICS space. Okay? I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. So, when I drag this arrow mark to filter, from source, all the columns will come to filter. Okay, it came. Incoming fields, it came. Now, target, select target. Target also having some columns. Target also having some columns, yes or no, please? DAC customers TGT. These are the columns are there in customers. So now how to see the target columns? Click on target fields. There are two things, incoming fields, target fields. I selected target. First select target fields. These are all the columns which are from customers TGT, correct? Don't confuse. There are few columns in target. See, these are all the columns from customers TGT. Now, when I drag from filter to customers TGT, whatever the columns are coming from source to filter to target also will come, correct? For target, incoming fields are this, yes or no? In target, there are two types of columns. One are target fields, which are there in the target itself. When you configure it, it will come. When I drag filter to target, incoming fields will come, correct? See, these are all origin is from where? Customers to filter, filters to target, ultimately from customers. Now what to do? We need to do the field mapping. At last step is in the target level, we need to do the field mapping. How do the field mapping? Click on field mapping. Now see, these are all the target fields. These are all the incoming fields. Now you need to drag it like this. Customer ID to customer ID, name to name, address to address, website to website, credit limit to credit limit. For example, if you don't want to select one by one, you can do a smart map. There is a smart map. There are exact field names, smart map, previous mapping, auto map, undo auto map. Click on smart map. I'll tell all those things later. Now see, customer ID, name, address, website, credit limit, save. Understood everyone? Now the mapping will become valid. So the last step is we have target fields, we have incoming fields. Click on field mapping, connect incoming fields to target. That means these are coming from source, these are in target. You need to drag it or do the smart map. Then all the columns will come save. So this is how, if you want to only few columns in filter, what to do, I will tell in the next session. Suppose for example, only in filter I want customer ID and name. That's it. I don't want all. Then you need to exclude them. You need to exclude. It included all fields. I'll tell in the next session, please. Don't worry about it. Okay. So as of now, last step is come to field mapping, click on target, come to field mapping and do the smart map. Why somebody is asking, we have to do this mapping in only target, not in source to filter. Correct. Only at target level. Field mapping available in only target level. See, source do we have field mapping? No. Filter do we have field mapping? No. Only target will have field mapping. Understood? Only target will have field mapping. Everyone got it, guys? Understanding? Clear about it? 1 second, please hold on. Just hold on, guys. Yeah. So did you understand, guys, field mapping? So I'll tell field mapping later in detail. Don't worry. So as of now, you have to do this. Now, once you done this, save it. Once you're done, save it. Yes, please. Yeah. Okay. Now we need to run the mapping. What to do now? Yeah, we need to run the mapping. Yes, please. Just hold on. Just hold on, guys. Yeah, sorry guys. So now tell me one thing in PowerCenter. So last 5 to 10 minutes. Hold on. PowerCenter IICS. Okay. Yeah. Let's see now. In PowerCenter we have a mapping. Same way in IICS also we have mapping. After creating mapping in PowerCenter, what we will create? After creating a mapping in PowerCenter, what we will create? Session task. Same way we have mapping task. After session task, what we will create in PowerCenter? After session task, what we will create? Workflow. Same way we have task flow here. Okay. Same we have here task flow. Now, without creating session and workflow, can I run a mapping here? Without creating a session and workflow, can you run a mapping? No. Without creating a workflow, can you run the session? Without creating a workflow, can you run the session? No. But here workflow, yes. Run workflow, yes. But in IICS, only mapping, yes, you can run. Only mapping task, yes, you can run. Only task flow, yes, you can run. Only mapping also you can run in IICS. Okay? Understanding everyone? Are you clear, guys? Understood? Hold on a second. Yeah, okay. So now you can run the mapping alone, but in real time. Yeah, then why not need of mapping task and task flow? I'll tell you. When you run a mapping, so you don't have any options here. Just you can run it. That's it. You can load the data. That's it. Just you can load the data. That's it. Okay, you cannot run anything. You cannot have any options here. If you need the options, like in session, we have many options, right? Configuration options, session properties, and all. You need to create a mapping task, also called as mapping configuration task. How to create? Either you can go here and create a new mapping task, or click on new. So this is m_customer CGT. Click on new mapping task. Click on new tasks. We have mapping task, synchronization task, masking, replication, PowerCenter data transfer. Okay. So click on mapping task. All this I'll tell later. We have many tasks. So click on mapping task, create. Now see here. If you see here in the left side, this is when you click on this, mapping will open. When you click on this, mapping task will open. All these things will be here. If you have 10 mappings, all this open here. You can close them. It will be saved on anyways. You can close them, but if you wanted to open it, okay, just click on it. Now mapping is completed. Mapping task. You can copy the mapping name, mapping task. So first give the mapping task name. MCT underscore m_customer CGT. MCT means mapping configuration task, also called mapping task. Also called mapping task. Understanding everyone? Are you clear, guys? Once it is done, now you need to select the runtime environment. You need to select the runtime environment. Okay? The runtime environment is your secure agent name. And mapping you need to select. Select the mapping. We have only one mapping. select the mapping. It will show the mapping also here. So in the mapping task, you need to select the mapping. Click on next. Now here you see we have many options in the mapping task. You can schedule it. So you can see here. 1 second. You can schedule. You can email notification. Advanced options are there. Pre-session, post-session, maximum number of logs, parameter file location, execution mode, SQLT optimization, advanced session properties. There are many things are there. Okay. So if you wanted to avail them, what you need to do it? You need to create a mapping task. Otherwise, these are all will not be available. These are all will not be available. Yes, please. Understanding? Everyone, are you clear, please? So, yes, guys. Understanding? So how it is making automated, let's see later. Just hold on, please. Control mandala, I'll tell later. Scheduler, I'll tell later. Please ask the topic specific questions. So somebody is asked the question. If you run only the mapping, okay? Yes, guys. If you run only the mapping, only the data will load, that's it. Yes, guys. But if you need to avail these all options, yes, guys. If you need all these options, you need to create in real time. We will create a mapping task for sure. Just we will not use mapping. Okay, okay. Yes, guys. In real time, we will create mapping and mapping task for sure. So you don't need to select anything. You don't need to select anything, please. Just click on next. This and all I will tell later. All options I will tell later. Yes, please. Yeah. All options I will tell later. So after general, click on next. After general, after giving the name of the mapping task and runtime environment, click on next. Save. Click on next, save. So the mapping task is valid. Now you need to create task flow. Task flow is used for different purpose. Okay. Yes, guys. Understand, guys? Like workflow, we will not use task flow. Okay. Like workflow, we will not use task flow. Task flow is for different purpose. I will tell that later. So in real time, what we will do, for every mapping, we will create a mapping task. We will create a mapping, then mapping task. That's it. We will not create task flow. We will run the mapping task always. We will never run the mapping. So now what to do? You can run the mapping task. Now I am running mapping task. Click on run. When you click on run, it is showing started m underscore customers TGT, view my jobs. There are my jobs here, or go to my jobs in the data integration only. I am still in data integration. I am still in data integration. Okay. So here, click on my jobs. It is running now. See here, when you click on it, it is completed and the status is succeeded. Success rows is 50. You can download the session log. It will download in a notepad. See now, out of 319, you can save it on desktop. You can save it. Out of 319, 50 records are loaded to target. The another way to check the monitor, you can go to monitor also. There is monitor. In here, I right click and went to monitor. You can check on my jobs or go to monitor. Here it is showing. You can see here the mapping name, mapping task name. Click on this mapping task name. You can see the same information. You can download session log. Session log is downloaded for my desktop. Okay. Session log is downloaded. This is session log. So the session log directly download in your system. You can see the affected output rows, affected rows, applied rows, in from source. This is from target. Okay, like this you can see it. Now check the target table. Go to target and check the target table. Select star from customers CGT. You can see here customer ID 1 to 50. You can see customer ID 1 to 50. Understood everyone? The first mapping. Did you understand the first mapping? Are you clear, guys? Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Did you understand the first mapping? Everyone? Are you clear? So next session is on tomorrow. Please practice this today. So before starting this, before ending, so we have a special offer going on, 1000 rupees discount. So if you want to join the course, you can join the course. Okay. So tomorrow morning and evening sessions will be there. If you want to join morning, tomorrow Zoom link will not be provided. Tomorrow Zoom link will not be provided. You have to join from website. My team will send you the steps. So either tomorrow you can join either morning or evening, 8 to 10 or 6 to 8. The fees is 17,000. Today's special discount 1,000. You can pay 16,000 or you can pay to this number. You can pay to this number and you can join the course. If you wanted to discuss with my team, you can call to these numbers or WhatsApp. Okay. So this is about today's session. Okay. So any questions, guys, before winding up? Any questions before winding up? Are you clear? Before winding up, any questions, please? I'll share the SQL scripts in the website. I'll share it. Tomorrow we'll continue the filter transformation. We'll tell in detail about filter transformation. Okay. Tomorrow we'll tell all the options in filter and also next transformation. You will get the recording after some time. You will get the recording after some time. Yes, please. How to join tomorrow? My team will send you the steps to. My team will send you the steps to your WhatsApp. So please provide your WhatsApp numbers. If you did not provide, please provide your WhatsApp numbers. If you did not provide, guys. Okay. Yes, guys. So if you don't have any doubts before winding up, so please subscribe my YouTube channel. How to check the detailed log, I'll tell in the next sessions. So as of now, you can download it. We have verbose mode and all here. We have verbose mode and all here. Yes, please. I'll tell that in the later sessions. Please, whatever the questions you have, ask in the Zoom chat. So before winding up, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and you can comment, like, and watch the videos. Also, we have a website. We have different courses available. Yes, please. In corporate, somebody is asking, in corporate, can we log in IIS in same way? Yes, they will give the link. Yes, they will give the link and they will also give Informatica username password. Okay. You can change the password later and you can log in. All those things I'll show you in the next session. All those things I'll tell in the next session. So before winding up, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also click on bell icon. Like this, click on subscribe. Also click on bell icon. Yes, please. So tomorrow my team will send you the steps. Don't worry. Don't worry, my team will help you. If you don't have extraction and all, my team will help you. My team will guide you. My team will send you through WhatsApp. So please, in my website, do I need to uninstall? And again, if the trial period is expiring, yes, you can continue. But I'll tell you all the steps later. This is very first session. So if the trial version is expiring, what to do also I'll tell in the later sessions. Okay. So any other questions, guys? Before winding up, any other questions? Anyone, please? Anyone, please? Any questions? How to install Oracle? I send you a video, right? In my YouTube channel, there is a video, Oracle installation. Okay, this is the one. Yes, please. Till when the course will complete? 45 days. From today, 45 days. So this is a YouTube channel. You can download and install. The download links are also there in the description. In the description, the download links are also there. You can download them and you can install them. Yes, please. Thank you, guys. So will you connecting other clouds? Yes. I'll show you how to connect to Snowflake Cloud, how to connect to Target Salesforce Cloud, how to connect Snowflake Cloud, how to connect the AWS Cloud. All those things I'll cover. You don't need to worry. As a target, how to use, as a target source, how to use, I'll tell you. Yes, please. Understanding everyone? Are you clear? Clear about it? Interview preparation and resume, I'll give you. Interview preparation and resume, I'll give. Don't worry. Salesforce acquires the Informatica, yes. Still complete acquisition is not done. Once it is done, I'll tell. Salesforce acquired Informatica, correct. So that we have lots of opportunities. So Informatica and Salesforce will integrate and we'll have many more opportunities. Okay. So any other questions, please? Certification assistance will give. Any other questions? Any other questions, please? Clear about it? Is it required to learn Salesforce? Not required. Not required. I'll tell the basics. No need to worry. Okay. Fine, guys. So before winding up, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Before winding up, please subscribe my YouTube channel and watch the videos and make use of them. Please comment and like them. Also, there are many courses available. If you want to join any other course, you can refer to your friends. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you all. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining, guys. Thank you all.